boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, Fireboy DML every day. So that is how often we'll stay here in Growing Guitar, almost every day. So yeah, this is a good opportunity to subscribe to this channel if you really like the songs I'm bringing out here for you. I try to do my best and also listen for songs you wish here in Growing Guitar, and I try to cover them as well. Then feel free to support me here, hit the subscribe button or like this tutorial or whatever tutorial you like, and let's go on with this cool song every day. So we're gonna start with a couple of chords, but first capo on the second fret. That is the best scenario for us. So capo on second, and let's do the 4 chords needed for a song. So starting with E minor, that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have G next, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. We have A minor, that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E, and the final chord will be C. It's a very easy transition there, and that would be third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. So we're gonna look at the strumming pattern first. So starting with the E minor, that will be down, up, clap, down. Okay, very common strumming pattern when it comes to these songs. So down, up, clap, down. A couple rounds. All right, so we're ready. And this is just one chord progression that goes in the same way through the entire song, just to mention it. So we're gonna start with E minor, 3 string rounds plus 1 down. So you start with a down on the 4th. So 3 full string rounds, then the first down on the 4th round, so to speak. Let's go. And then you have this transition notes in this song. So this first one will be this on the 2nd fret E string, the F sharp note. And that note, you just play that one down like this. Then you go over to the next chord, the G, and play the same there, 3 full string rounds plus 1 down. Then you have a transition note, which will be on the 4th fret G string. So you have this chord already, the G, and you just slide out 1 fret on the 4th fret E string. And then you have the A minor, 3 full rounds plus 1 down. And then you have the final transition note, which will be the 2nd fret A string. Okay? And then you had a final chord C, you play full 4 rounds. And that's it. That's the end of it. All right, I'm gonna play 1 round for you. It goes like this. Alright, so it was 2 rounds of this chord progression. Couldn't hold back. A nice song to play. Fireboy every day. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.